Good Saturday morning and welcome back to Manila. I was in Shanghai just last weekend. Very active, fun to meet up with friends, but also like to be active when I'm actually on vacation. So a lot of walking and also biking, which I really love with Shanghai. But of course also some indulgences like great food as always. That's why you travel, right? And some drinks with friends, exploring bars. But now it's important to get back on track. So every weekend I try to schedule something active. So right now I'm gonna go to Muay Thai. So to recharge and energize for that, I had some protein oats with lingonberry. Gotta get those carbohydrates in, and sugar for some explosive energy. After this I might go for a run, we'll see. But the way I like to run my life, I put it that way, is to track as many things as you can. I'm an engineer actually by trade, so what's measured gets managed is one of my favorite quotes. And if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And I don't plan on failing. So I track actually my weight every time I wake up. So this morning was actually the lowest in a few months. And that's of course not by coincidence. I track my calories as well. That's pretty crazy. But basically kind of a food journal of what I eat to make sure I get the macros, so the calories, protein, fats and carbs where I want to. Like to play around with that, as you know. But then also my finances. So actually when I wake up in the morning, I check my portfolio and my bank accounts, because you want to make sure that the things that you care about in your life, and I think finances are important, are going in the right direction, not the wrong one. And of course, if you plan for vacation or things like that, you need some money to do that. And I'm actually going to Europe on Monday, so good to have some money for that, right? So tracking your fitness, so basically what you eat, your weight and your finances, I think are great things. And also of course in the gym, tracking the weights and you get stronger, or some other great advice I think you can try out. Something else I like to track is my steps, so make sure you get activity. I'm actually walking at quite nice park here, an area in Manila. The problem here is it's not so much nature, but you gotta do what you can. No point in complaining, soon I can be running out in Sweden. But the steps and the calorie burn, so I have this Aura ring here where I can actually track sleep and pretty much everything that I care about. But now I'm gonna go to the Muay Thai here. Just wanted to share some tips of how to get back on track, make sure you progress even though you have fun exploring their vacation, other things happening. And of course, get back on track, you gotta make sure that your nutrition is dialed in. So I've been cooking a lot lately and having smoothies actually in the morning. Typically I'm fasting, but I think that's a great tip, getting some berries, some fruits, and then in the evening typically like chicken or beef, potatoes. A lot of potatoes actually my favorite. So nutrition, make sure you have that dialed in. Also actually besides Muay Thai and other kind of high intensity training, I normally go to the gym, but this week I've been adding in some more running, so going like 3 to 5 days a week, actually running like 7 to 8 kilometers. I haven't done that in a while, but I really feel that I can boost the progress and sort of getting back if you've been having a bit too much fun lately. So maybe it takes a while to get up to those kind of distances. Of course you can go even longer, but nice to get the pulse up, especially in the morning before breakfast, and then you have a lot of energy for the rest of the day. I think the important thing is that you're trending in the direction you want in life. So it can be some ups and downs, but if you know you're heading in the right direction, no need to panic. So I'm gonna leave you guys here. Hope you have a good day. Probably gonna go and find some fruits here. There's a market around the corner, always fun to explore, get some fresh fruit, maybe some ice bath, we'll see. But until then, have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.